we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and by using this conversion rate we can actually solve a number of problems. So let's see some of the problems where we need to convert from hours to minutes and minutes to hours. So here we need to find out 3 hours is equal to how many minutes. So here we need to convert from hours to minutes. So we have 3 hours. Now what is the conversion? Well, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and we are trying to convert from hours to minutes, that is larger unit to smaller unit. So what do we do when we are converting from larger unit to smaller unit? Well, we multiply. So what do we multiply with? With the conversion. So 3 hours will be 3 into 60. So 3 into 60 minutes. So 3 hours is equal to 3 into 60 minutes, which is 180 minutes. So 3 hours is equal to 180 minutes. So this is the answer, and we converted using this conversion rate, that is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and we multiply because we are converting from larger unit to smaller unit. Now next one is 1 hour 55 minutes is equal to how many minutes? So we need to convert this figure in the form of only minutes. So again you have hour and minutes converted entirely to minutes. So here this part is pretty simple, it's already in minutes. You only need to solve this part. Now what is the conversion? Conversion is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So this 1 hour will be nothing but 60 minutes. So we can write 1 hour 55 minutes as 60 minutes plus 55 minutes, that is 60 plus 55 minutes, which is 115 minutes. So 1 hour 55 minutes is 115 minutes. Now next conversion is 240 minutes is equal to how many hours? So here we are trying to convert from minutes to hours. So what do we do? Well, first of all, what is the conversion? So we are trying to convert from minutes to hours. So 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, isn't it? Now we are trying to convert from minutes to hours, that is smaller unit to larger unit, which means that we will divide. So what do we divide with? Well, we have 240 minutes divided by the conversion, that is 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So 240 by 60 hours, which is nothing but 4 hours. So once you divide 240 by 60, you get 4 hours. So 240 minutes is equal to 4 hours. Now we have 270 minutes. So 270 minutes is equal to how many hours? Again we are converting from minutes to hours, that is smaller unit to larger unit. And what is the conversion? 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. And since we are converting from smaller unit to larger unit, we divide. So 270 minutes is equal to, we divide what by what? Well, 270 by the conversion, that is 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So it will be 270 by 60. Hours. So 270 by 60, which is 4.5. So 270 minutes is equal to 4.5 hours. So how did we find this? Because we had the conversion rate, which is 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, and since we were converting from smaller unit to larger unit, so we divided. So we divided 270 by 60 and we got 4.5 hours. So this is how you can use the conversion rate and you can solve a number of problems related to conversion of hour to minutes and minutes to hours. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.